And a retired military officer and anti-terrorist specialist, Colonel Tony Yam, is sounding a note of warning on the defeat of the Boko Haram insurgents in Sambisa Forest. While praising the military for achieving the feat, he warns that there is a need for authorities to watch as the war against terror may not have been completely won. He was speaking on our breakfast program, Sunrise Daily.
We must make a distinction. What they've achieved is very much on the conventional warfare aspects in recapturing territories. We must not lose sight that there is the unconventional warfare, which to my humble estimates, we have achieved, I would say, over 50% degrading of the threat, but we're still at it. In other words, with all these terrorists now scattered all over, they will now resort to hiding and going back to these unconventional methods. In our major cities, Abuja, Lagos, Maiduguri, Port Harcourt, and the rest. And in that regards, we all should be very careful, for example, in Lagos. What the military has done so far, good. But it must be realized that fighting counterinsurgency is not only the military, that it's not only the military's role. There is, as been said, there is the element of intelligence which the Department of State Security Services, the National Intelligence Agencies, and of course all other agencies have a role to play. We need to also rely more on plain clothes or on uniformed security agencies to complement what the military has done. All I will emphasize is that we should not think that the war has been completely won. We should just keep on improving on the good efforts we have given so far.